In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Facebook page. If you need to temporarily take your page offline while you make updates, rework your branding, or just pause public visibility, unpublishing is a quick and reversible option that keeps all your content intact behind the scenes. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Facebook account and that you have admin access to the page. Only admins can change publishing status. Now, open your Facebook page. You can do this from your shortcuts or by searching for the page name. Once you're on the page, look for the Settings option. Depending on the layout Facebook is showing you, this may appear in the left sidebar or under a menu labeled Settings. Don't worry if the interface looks slightly different. You're simply heading to the main settings area for the page. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Access and Control. This section manages visibility and availability for your page. Click Access and Control to open it. Here, you'll see the option to Unpublish Page. Selecting this tells Facebook you want to hide the page from public view without deleting anything. Click Unpublish Page. Facebook may show a brief explanation of what unpublishing does, just to confirm you understand the change. When you're ready, click Continue. You may be asked to review a summary of the change. This is normal and gives you one more chance to make sure you're choosing the right option. Finally, click Confirm. Once confirmed, your page will be temporarily hidden from the public. Visitors who aren't admins won't see the page, but nothing is lost. All your posts, photos, messages, and settings remain exactly where they are, and only admins can see or edit the page while it's unpublished. This is ideal when you're revising content, updating policies, or preparing a relaunch without an audience watching. If you change your mind or you're ready to go live again, you can republish the page at any time by returning to the same setting and reversing the change. It's quick, and the page will become publicly visible again with your content just as you left it. A few tips to keep in mind. Unpublishing doesn't delete your page or its URL. It simply hides it from the public. Any scheduled posts won't appear publicly while the page is unpublished. If you're running ads linked to the page, consider pausing them until you republish. That's it. You've successfully unpublished your Facebook page and kept full control behind the scenes until you're ready to go live again.